Welcome back to Writing Workshop. And in Writing Workshop, we have been working on our All About books. This week, Miss Allen wrote about butterflies. All about butterflies. And we started by thinking of this topic, planning across pages, drawing our pictures that teach, adding labels, words, sentences, and then we revised our work by adding more pictures, more labels, more words, more sentences. Today we will edit our writing. And when we edit, we think about, did we begin with an uppercase or capital letter? Did we put spaces between our words? And did we end our sentence with a punctuation? We are also going to publish our writing. And when we publish, we reread what we wrote and make sure that we have taught our readers 3 things about our topic: an introduction, a conclusion, and color, so we can add to our personal libraries. Let's begin. All About Butterflies. Written and illustrated by Miss Allen. I already went ahead and colored my book. So make sure after you've fixed up your writing, you also add some color to your All About book. Our introduction page. Did you know butterflies were once caterpillars? I put a question mark because I asked a question. I will teach you all about butterflies. And there's a period. So I began both my sentences. My first sentence was a question. And then I started my other sentence with an uppercase or capital letter. I have my caterpillar that is labeled. And now I'm going to add butterfly. Page 1. Butterflies have 2 antennas. 1, 2. I began with a capital letter. I have my finger spacing. And I ended with a period. Page 2. Butterflies have 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to begin with an uppercase B. Okay? And if you don't remember what an uppercase B is, boys and girls, make sure to get your alphabet chart. So I'm going to change this B to an uppercase B. Okay? And that might look funny. So what we can do, boys and girls, which is the better way, is to cross out that word and then write it properly above, so our readers will be able to read it better. So butterflies have 6 legs. I have my finger space and I have my period. Page 3. Butterflies have many colors and patterns. Yesterday we added more words to our sentence. And as you see, my butterfly, every butterfly has a different color, different pattern. So my picture matches my words. I began with an uppercase letter. I have finger spacing in between each word, and I ended my sentence with a period. And my last page, last part, or my conclusion says, now you know all about butterflies. And again, I began with an uppercase N. I have my finger spacing in between each word, and I ended with a period. So boys and girls, make sure that in your all about books, you have began with an uppercase letter, you have spaces between each word, and you ended with a punctuation. This makes your writing very easy to read. Color your pictures. Make sure your book is in the correct order. And you can add a staple, or if you have tape, tape your pages together. Add your book to your personal library and submit to your teacher. And I will see you guys for another great workshop.